Good morning everyone, welcome back to Guvna Rides. Yes, we are back to Guvna Rides. I briefly dabbled with the idea of changing the channel name, put up a video explaining why. It did 19 views, so I don't think YouTube likes it when you change your channel name. So went back to Guvna Rides. Hopefully we're not going to have the same situation. And I just want to really explain quickly how the channel name came about. I've had a lot of new subscribers and maybe you're just wondering, or maybe you're not. Either way, we're going to have some coffee with it. Back in a sec. So the channel name originally came about because of, it was kind of a joke tease within my family. It was like that, hello governor, in that sort of faux Mary Poppins type accent. And it kind of stuck. So it became a license plate, then it became a YouTube channel. And since that family dynamic has changed, I've been thinking about changing the channel name. Every time I come up with a channel name, it sounds great for a day or two, and then I just sort of miss the Guvna Rides bit. My name is Mick. I'm not a governor of anything. It just was, like I said, a nickname, a joke, fun name that just sort of became a YouTube channel. So that's how it came about. Anywho, what we've got for you today is, there's no motorcycles involved in this one, although we've got some projects coming up which we're going to share with you. Today we're going to do a little bit of barbecue. We like barbecuing, we like smoking. We've got a Weber grill and we've also got a Pit Boss smoker. We did some ribs last weekend. Thought we'd just share with you our way of doing it. If you like barbecue, hope you enjoyed the video. If it's not for you, appreciate you dropping in and saying hi, and hope we catch you next time. Anyway, over to the grills and the twit outside. One of the things we like to do is we like to barbecue. And we have a smoker. This is our Pit Boss. This is, I think it's the 800 series, I believe. I might be wrong, could be 7. She's already fired up and ready to go. It's a pellet smoker. If you guys have these, you'll know what I'm talking about. Load the pellets up in here. This is a competition blend. Ooh, close that up a little bit. Done quite a lot of cooking on this. Done pork roast, done ribs, pork butt for pulled pork, you name it. You can do steaks on here, whatever you like. Over here is our charcoal grill, which is our go-to every night type of thing. But we're going to do some low and slow back ribs today. My son's seasoning on there, the and then some it's called, a little sweet and tangy. It's going to go on there for 3 hours. We're going to do the 3-2-1 method. That's 3 hours smoke, 2 hours wrapped, and then 1 hour unwrapped, and back on the smoker again with a glaze on it. 225 should come out lovely, ready to eat in about 6 hours or so. All right, we've got an internal temperature of 190. They are going to come off right now. We're going to wrap them in foil, but we're going to put some brown sugar and some butter, a little bit of seasoning, a bit of this and that. And I will tell you that I have been spritzing these every 45 minutes or so to keep that little bit of tang there, because this is apple cider vinegar. This is just our way of doing it. There's thousands of ways. Everybody gets great ribs. So let's take them inside, wrap them, put them back on the grill. Back on the grill, back in 2 hours. Okay, so the ribs are now, they've been wrapped, now unwrapped, ready for a glaze. I'm going to use our favourite, which is the Blues Hog Champions Blend. There's a Whiskey Blues that's really nice too. So we're going to do that. I'm going to drop the lid right in the meat while we're at it.
Okay, so we're just going to put a little on the back. Flip her over. A little more on the front here because I did that the wrong way around. There we go. Rib bones are just starting to show nicely now. We don't want to fall off the bone. We do want them nice and tender. There we go. Pick this rack up. Set it on. I'm going to give that about 50 minutes because we're a little ahead because the smoker was running hot. Alright, close her up. Okay, so change things up a little bit. I decided to come back with a little bit more of this whiskey blues. Give that a little sauce up. A little bit more on there. So right now the smoker is sitting at 237 degrees. It varies a little bit, of course. I'm going to cover this up, let it tighten up for perhaps another 20 minutes thereabouts. We'll take it off, we'll get them cut up, ready to serve. See you in a minute. Alright, so we'll temp them. 204 right there, 204 right there. This is the thicker end, this is the one I'm more concerned about. That one's up a little bit, that's 210. Down here, up at just under 200. So we are ready to bring these off. We've got this beautiful mahogany colour. The seasoning I used for this was Lovely Jubbly barbecue and then some seasoning, and then sauce it up afterwards with the Blues Hog Champions blend. Comes up really lovely every time. Amazing flavours here. What we're going to do now is we're going to take these inside, rest them for probably a good half an hour. Don't forget to check out Lovely Jubbly barbecue seasonings on their website, which is lovelyjubblybarbecue.com. This one I'm using, as I said, is called the And Then Some. Perfect for ribs and chicken, a whole host of other things. And don't forget to check out the Guvna 15 discount code when you order any of these seasonings. Unfortunately, that's only available in the continental US, but every little bit helps. So Guvna 15, when you place an order online, put that in, you get a 15% discount. Can't say fairer than that.
Well, unfortunately, when I went to record this segment, I forgot to turn the mic on, so I'm just going to do a voiceover here. As you can see, I've got a beautiful mahogany colour on these ribs, nice and tender, just about to break there. The real combination there is the And Then Some seasoning and the Blues Hog barbecue sauce. Beautifully tender, breaking up. I ended up not needing the knife after all. As you can see, laid them out there on the plate. Wow, boy, I'm moving quickly as well. Look at that. Flying through it. Tearing up nicely, lovely and tender. Now's the test. Make sure I get a good bite. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, I was well happy. Absolutely gorgeous flavour. Fancied myself a glass of wine while I was doing it. Beautiful, tender, nice, sweet and tangy seasoning, and the barbecue sauce as well. Cook method there, it was 3 hours on the grill with the smoke, 3 hours wrap, and then 1 hour to finish and tighten everything up. Really want to say thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Sorry I had to do a voiceover. Got a nice glass of wine there sitting. Actually, red wine goes well with those ribs, I found. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. Thanks for subscribing. Cheers.